So, yeah. Wallace Johnson on vocals. Herb Anderson on bass. You saw him before. He's the doorman at the Sir Francis Drake Professionals that are competing for cash, cool prizes, bragging rights, and the coveted title of World Champion Bell Ringer. A portion of this event is also dedicated to benefit local non-profit organizations. For close to 5 decades, Muni has been staging these bell ringing contests to celebrate the city's cable cars, but also to give back to the community that it serves. Now, the only professional bell ringer who's even close to you is Byron Cobb, who's had 5 wins. Now, you've won 10 times. What is the secret to winning?
It's all in the ingredients.
All in the ingredients. Awesome. Thank you, 10-time winner. Carl Payne, ladies and gentlemen.
With me in the US American way, so we have a lot of
Football. You like football. All right. And your favorite saying is? First contestant, Mr. Jorge Lacayo. Step forward, sir. Arriba, arriba. Ay, loco. Okay. You're a grip. How many years have you been with me? He's been with Muni an entire 32 years, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. Break it down.
Now, we asked Charles if there was a movie of his life, who would star as you?
Denzel.
Oh, Denzel. Oh, yes, please. Ramar, you're a grip, is that correct?
That's correct.
And how many, what are you, 12? Good golly, Miss Molly. Jeez, this shirt is older than you are.
13 and a half.
All right, you've been with Muni how many years?
Almost 5 years.
Almost 5 years, awesome. And you've been on the cable car how many years?
1 year.
1 year.
Look out, Leonard! That's Westbrook right there! Nice, young blood! Look out, Leonard! Here you go, let's go! Go! Take it on home, son! Take it home! It's a wrap!
Come on up. He's a grip and a conductor. He's been with Muni for 13 years. 12 of those years in the cable car division. We asked Singh, who would you choose to star in a movie of your life?
The upper cable car.
Bollywood.
Trini is a grip and conductor. You have been with Muni how many years?
You've always been the last one.
12 this month. Happy anniversary. And you've been with the cable car how many years?
10.
10 of those 12 years. Awesome. Now, who would you choose to star in a movie of your life?
George Clooney.
He's very popular today.
Yeah! Rhythm.
Tonight, world champion. Ladies and gentlemen, he's got the crown. Will he give it up today? Let's hear it from Mr. Leonard Oates. Go Leonard, go Leonard. I know, it's a day like Miss America. She's like, oh, it's been such a quick year. Now, Leonard, good to see you again, by the way. Who would you choose, who would be the star in the movie of your life?
The Rock!
You don't want me to warm up. You don't want me to warm up? Get up.
Your defending cable car bell ringing champion. We have given the judges index cards with the name of each man who is tied for first. They are going to put down a number between 1 and 10. So these two men will go head to head in the death match. I'm not a judge. Hello. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our second man in the tie, Mr. Leonard Oates. Between 1 and 10 for each man, please. And the ultimate counters and prizes. In the professional category, Mr. Ken Lunardi wins $300 in cash and prizes. Mr. Leonard Oates.
Hey,
Colombia.
Oh, wow.
Yes, enjoy that trophy. That trophy's bigger than my house. 2012 World Champion Bell Ringer, Trini Champion! Come on down, Trini! Please, along with the trophy and the money and the prizes, you will enjoy the lovely Ghirardelli basket. You get a Ghirardelli gift basket. Good luck.